Alright, hello class. What we're going to do in this video is we're actually going to take our model and make it a section cut. It's pretty easy. If you haven't done so, you need to go to 3D tab and you have to go to sort of all your settings and you want to select on scene. And when you do that, you see in the properties box what you have is this cross section box. So I'm going to check off this cross section box here, and you can see a bunch of controls come up where I can change my offset from 0, which is the middle of the plane, so I can sort of change that this way, and I can set this wherever I want. And I can change my axis, so I can do y-axis if I want to do up and down, or I can do the z-axis to do forward, which would be good for a section perspective. So I might come through and set this to where I think would be a good spot, and then rotate my building around, and um, I can do that. I also have tilt XY. I mean, I can do all these various things. I can turn off the plane, which I probably don't want to see. I can turn on lines at where it intersects with model, which you probably always have to clean up. You can see if I zoom in a little bit on this guy, it sort of has some awkward geometry. Never really does a great job, so I'm going to turn off that intersect um, element, and you can have a you know uh, perspective that's sort of tilted like this. I'm going to pan it over. Oops, too far here, something like that. And then you could set your lighting, and you could set your materials and all those other things like we've done in other lectures, and then render it. Um, which I'll probably just pause the video to do to show a final sort of rendering. But um, before I do that, I'm going to just talk about how to switch between perspective and orthographic, which I'll do in another video, I think. So there we go. Just it was easy cross section. There you go.